In this homework, we would like to compute if a number is even in 3 different ways. The purpose of the homework is to exercise you to know that something can be done in several ways, and also to be good in the different operators that can help us doing this task. In the first way, as you know, we can just use the number mod2 equal 0, and that's enough. And this is actually how you do it in the industry. Nothing more fancy than that. The other two ways just to practice more and understand what we were using. If you would like to use the division by two trick, from the slides observe that when you divide a number by 2, it ends up either x.0 or x.5. For example, if you divided an even number 10 by 2, you get 5.0. If you divided 11 by 2, you get 5.5. So the moral of that, an integer if divided by 2, it's either 0.0 or 0.x. So the best way to know the answer is as following. We compute this number by 2 and then we remove the x part. When we remove the x part, the remaining is either 0 or 0.5. In this case, we can compare if a number equal to 0 or not. If it is a 0, then we know it is an even number. Otherwise, it's an odd number. This is the second way. The third way is using the mod 10. Observe that from the slides, when we take a mod 10 of a number, we are actually getting the last digit of it. Now, what makes a number even? Simply the last digit have to be either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So we cannot check if any number is even if it is any of these 3 digits. This is how we can know if a number is even or not.